Hello everyone, today I just wanted to talk about this Monster Jam big giant 6 foot tall car toy. This is really nice fun toy. The kids really like it, and you can see it makes some noise once the head moves. It makes bunch of different noise actually, and here this can rotate and it will have different effect once the car slide down. So once this comes from this, as soon as it hits something here, this just allow this to open and the car just do some other different actions. And similarly, same thing here. Once the car goes from here, once it hit this, it opens and it kind of flips the car, which is nice. The kids are really enjoying it. And this one is just go straight. Actually, let's close this. So this will just go straight and fly in the air. The operation is really easy. Even my 2.5 years old, he's able to kind of move this around. So how it works, you would just turn this and the truck would just slide down. Once you put it here, you would just turn this and it will just take this all the way to the top. As you can see here, as soon as it hits on the top part, you can see here over there, it's gonna release the truck and it should I don't know which came with this one, so let's try with this one. We have a bunch of others. It should actually work with any of it, but as soon as you can see, it just released the car. The same action, let's do. And it's easy to put the car as soon as you put it here and just slide it up. Even my 2 years old, he's able to put the cars and he's just able to turn it. So same action, you would just go all the way up and it will just release the car and it will just fly out. Put this down, you will put the truck, turn it, and it's gonna release, and boom. Same thing, you can just do the same action. Once it goes all the way up, and it will fly. This is really nice fun toy. My kids love it. I hope this video helped you guys. Thank you for watching.